The next thing you'll want to do eventually is change your layout. So you might not want the hierarchy window open, or you might not want it over on this side, you might want it over here. You can move things around. For instance, I can click and drag hierarchy, and I could snap it to here, or snap it to here, snap it to here, put it in all kinds of different places. I can also add it as a tab to another window, put it with those, or put it with those, put it with these. I'll just kind of stick it over here for now. So maybe in this view, I'd want to see the hierarchy and the inspector right next to each other. Maybe, and at times, you will want to see the scene view and the game view separately. So I could drag the game till I get it over here. You can also resize these. So if I put my cursor right in the middle of those two, I can change how much space is being provided for any window. I can do the same here. So now I can actually play the game and see my editor at the same time. Let's say you've played around, kind of gotten things all wonky, and you want to go back to the layout that you originally had. We have this little layout button up here, and we can go back to the default layout. That is the one I will be using throughout most of the videos, but you could use other layouts also. There's a 2x3 split, and these are layouts that Unity provides you because they are useful for doing some task in Unity. So some of these we might use once in a while if there's some specific task that that layout is really helpful for. Here's the wide one. Let's say you don't love any of these for exactly what you're trying to do. Maybe you want to show some different windows. So I'm going to go up here to window. Maybe I want my animation window showing. Maybe I want that snapped down here. Maybe I want window animation animator. So let's say I get the layout exactly how I want it. I've changed the size of things and just really like this layout for some type of task. What I can do is save it. So if I want it to show up in my options, I can create a new one. I can say save this layout and I can name it, and then it will appear in this list and I can go to that layout whenever I want. I'm going to go back to default. Eventually you might want to create your own layouts, but probably not until you have gotten pretty good at Unity and know which windows you want to use and in which tasks